Success is not just about hard work, it's about smart work, discipline, and focus. If you want to make your studies more effective, use your time wisely, and achieve your goals faster, these 7 productivity tips from Elon Musk will help you take control of your academic journey. Number 1, success is not just about working hard, it is about working with purpose. When you have a strong reason behind what you do, your efforts become meaningful, and you stay motivated even during tough times. Knowing your why gives you direction and helps you make better decisions. Having a clear vision means understanding your goals and aligning your actions accordingly. Without a clear purpose, it is easy to lose focus, get distracted, or feel unmotivated. When you define what you want to achieve and why it matters, you develop a stronger sense of commitment and discipline. For example, a student who knows their why, whether it is building a successful career, making an impact, or achieving personal growth, will stay more focused than someone who studies without a defined purpose. Clarity of vision helps in prioritizing tasks, managing time effectively, and staying consistent. Purpose fuels passion, and passion leads to excellence. When you work with a strong sense of purpose, challenges become opportunities and setbacks become lessons. Define your why, set a clear vision, and let it drive you toward success. Number 2, effective time management begins with clear planning and structured scheduling. Time blocking is a method where each task is assigned a specific time slot, ensuring maximum productivity. By planning every minute, distractions are minimized and efficiency is increased. A clear vision helps in prioritizing tasks, focusing on important activities, and avoiding wasted time. When every hour has a purpose, progress becomes consistent. Whether it's studying, working, or taking breaks, a well-organized schedule ensures balance and discipline. Mastering time blocking leads to better focus, improved results, and greater success in achieving long-term goals. Number 3, not all tasks contribute equally to success. The 80/20 rule states that 80% of results come from just 20% of efforts, meaning the most important tasks should be prioritized. By identifying high-impact activities, time and energy can be focused on what truly matters. A clear vision helps in recognizing which tasks bring the greatest value and eliminating distractions. Instead of wasting time on unproductive work, focusing on key priorities leads to faster progress and better outcomes. Smart prioritization ensures efficiency, reduces stress, and creates a direct path toward achieving meaningful goals. Number 4, first principle thinking is a problem-solving approach that involves breaking complex ideas down to their fundamental truths and then rebuilding solutions from the ground up. Instead of relying on assumptions or conventional wisdom, this method encourages questioning everything to understand the core of a problem. Having a clear vision helps in applying this approach effectively. When the goal is well defined, it becomes easier to analyze challenges critically and develop innovative solutions. By questioning existing methods and seeking deeper understanding, more efficient and creative ways to achieve success can be discovered. For example, instead of accepting a difficult subject as too hard, breaking it down into basic concepts and rebuilding knowledge step by step makes it easier to grasp. This mindset fosters curiosity, problem-solving skills, and independent thinking. A strong vision combined with first principles thinking leads to smarter decisions and long-term success. Number 5, success is built on dedication, discipline, and relentless effort. There is no shortcut to achievement. Hard work is essential for mastering skills, overcoming challenges, and reaching goals. Those who consistently put in the effort develop resilience, improve their abilities, and create opportunities for themselves. A clear vision provides the motivation needed to sustain hard work. When there is a well-defined goal, it becomes easier to stay focused and push through difficulties. Without a strong purpose, effort may feel meaningless, leading to inconsistency and distractions. However, when the destination is clear, every step forward feels purposeful. True success comes from combining smart strategies with unwavering effort. Hard work, guided by a clear vision, ensures steady progress and long-term growth. Challenges become stepping stones, failures turn into lessons, and persistence leads to excellence. No amount of talent or intelligence can replace the power of consistent, determined effort. Number 6, growth comes from learning, adapting, and refining skills over time. Seeking feedback allows weaknesses to be identified and strengths to be enhanced. Constructive criticism provides valuable insights that help in making necessary improvements, leading to continuous progress. A clear vision ensures that feedback is used effectively. When the goal is well defined, feedback becomes a tool for improvement rather than discouragement. It helps in recognizing areas that need development and adjusting strategies accordingly. Without a clear purpose, criticism may feel demotivating, but with the right mindset, it becomes a powerful source of learning. Constant improvement requires an open mind, willingness to learn, and dedication to growth. Success is not about being perfect, but about consistently evolving. By embracing feedback, refining skills, and making small improvements every day, excellence becomes achievable. A strong vision, combined with continuous learning, paves the way for long-term success and mastery. Number 7, focus is one of the most valuable assets for success, and distractions can significantly reduce productivity. Unnecessary meetings, social media, notifications, and random interruptions waste time and take attention away from important tasks. Eliminating these distractions allows for deeper concentration and more efficient work. A clear vision helps in identifying what truly matters. When goals are well defined, it becomes easier to filter out distractions and prioritize essential activities. Without a strong vision, it is easy to get caught up in unproductive tasks that do not contribute to progress. By setting boundaries, turning off unnecessary notifications, and avoiding time-wasting activities, productivity increases. Maintaining focus on meaningful work leads to better results in less time. A distraction-free environment combined with a clear purpose ensures that energy is directed toward achieving long-term success. Conclusion: success comes to those who manage their time wisely, set clear goals, and work with dedication. If you implement these 7 productivity strategies into your daily routine, your study habits will improve.